Today we're going to start a new series whereby we analyze the images associated with the various laboratories in the histology class. This particular one has to do with images on fundamental tissues and mitosis. It has three parts. One part talked about the types of microscopy, tissue preparation, and staining. The second part has to do with images of light and electron microscopy, and the third part has to do with mitosis itself. If these materials are useful to you, I hope you'll be able to pass this information on to your colleagues and to your friends to have them subscribe to the YouTube site. Thank you. Images of fundamental tissues and mitosis, Part 3, images of mitosis. So we want to look at different images. We look at 001, which is the root tip, growing root tip, and we look for mitotic figures. And we can be able to see this is a prophase where the chromosomes were like the chromosome getting a little darker, and prophase, and then you have prophase where you have lines, and then metaphase where they're lined up, centrioles pulling apart. Anaphase, you have a little V here looking, they've already started pulling apart. Late anaphase, they're apart, and then telophase, they produce two interphase nuclei again to come back to here. And we can see those in here. If we look at those, the prophase would be like these guys, like this, where the chromatin, a lot of prophase in there. Metaphase is where they're lined up, as you see here and here. The anaphase is when they're pulling apart. You can see they're pulling apart here and here. Late anaphase, they've pulled apart pretty nicely, as you see maybe there. Late anaphase, and then telophase is when you have two individuals already developed again. So what we're going to look at the onion tip here, and we can see the interphase nucleus. These are plant cells, so they're kind of box shaped. This is the nucleus, and this is cytoplasm, and what we're seeing there is the cell wall. And so if we look at this, we can see this is the image that we can see, and we can see there's different structures that are there. This is a weird image, I tell you that right now. Let me look at this one. This one's a little better, and we can see the different. This is the nucleus and the cell wall that we can see in the cell wall. So nucleolus, nucleus, cytoplasm, and if we look around, these are telophase that pulled apart. Metaphase are lined up. Again, telophase, they've already pulled apart and start developing two new cells. Prophase, prophase, that we can see the different cells that are there. I'm going to go to this thing and look at this again, see if this is quite bizarre looking. And so again, interphase nucleus, these would be the anaphase pulling apart, metaphase, the different ones, and then here would be early telophase developing new individuals, and then these are new individuals, and then these. So you see the different mitotic figures that occur there. And so we can see these on the onion tip. You can also see a similar type thing in fish eggs. I don't see this. We see an interphase nucleus there. So again, there's a nucleus, and this is the cytoplasm of this cell. So here we see the nucleus and the cytoplasm. It's the interphase nucleus, and then this is one in mitosis. These are the chromosomes. These are the microtubules that are attached to the centrioles, pulling the chromosomes apart. And here we see a centriole. A centriole is 9 triplet microtubules. So 2 centrioles makes a centriole matrix that you can see there, where it's organized in the center for microtubules associated with cell division. So that concludes the images of fundamental tissues and mitosis, part 3, images of mitosis. Thank you.